Hi, Mrs. Kim is going to teach you how to do the hot dog fold. Now get a piece of paper and bend it in half, but make sure that you match up the corners. Now this is the most important step. Really get those corners to match up. If you don't do that, you will not get a good hot dog fold. Afterwards, using your 2 fingers, make sure to get that nice, clean crease. The hint is to use the back of your fingers to make sure that it's nice and sharp. So when you open it up, you get that nice, sharp line. So when you turn it over like this, you'll see why it's called the hot dog fold. Because right there along the line, you could be able to fit a hot dog. And that's why it's called a hot dog fold. See, when you bend it over, that's the hot dog fold. Now from here you could also do the hamburger fold. So there you go, you match up the corners just like you did with the hot dog fold. Remember, that's the most important step. Use your 2 fingers to make a nice clean crease. Use also the back of your finger to make it really nice and sharp. Now when you open it up, you'll see that you have a nice straight line from top to bottom, and that is the hamburger fold. This one is the hot dog fold, so that you could fit a hot dog right in there, and then you get this nice fold in the middle of it. Make sure that you can see a nice line from the top to the bottom as well as from one side to the other. And then when you fold it the other way, you get the hamburger fold. Now these folds are very important if you're going to do paper airplanes or origami. And the better that you match up the corners and the better that you make the creases, the better your airplanes and your origami and other projects will be.